dial you're in your own class here. You can run close to the number. Reaction time doesn't matter. It's not common. Better light. Losing it. Austin going to get the lead first. 985 dial, 782 for Chris. Chris with that nice little bullhorn exhaust. Yost with a great light. Let's see if he can make it happen on the other end. Yes, he does. 035 on the green, 987 on his 985. Nice little package. Mar Hoover, 8 flat from Narbonne, Pennsylvania, the 2014 Ford. Against Dominic Cotterick from Parkton, Maryland. Looked at his quarter mile time and said that's what we're going with. All right, so here comes Lamar. Lamar's not catching that, so yeah, I don't think we're paying over there on the side of the racetrack. This time put the right way. Lamar moving on. Dooley's going to get the lead first with a 1050 dial. Beautiful 045 light for the Dooley. Weaver's got some ground to make up. Dooley's moving on. And 768. Weaver, look at 985. Chevy. Heads up race here. Both dialing 9 flat. Tree's going to come down exactly the same time. Both drivers away. Road pulling away. Let's see if he breaks out. Hopefully he stays on the right side of the number. Yes, he does. 931 and 68. For Rice. Both drivers in. There goes Rice. Vandergriff, problems. Hopefully Rice takes a look over his shoulder. Yes, he does. Vandergriff. Shadow, Westchester, Pennsylvania, and Dennis Harnish, Coreyville, PA. Stick shift there. Wheels lay down. Lay on the brake. There you go. Martinelli goes red. Felder with a beautiful 029 reaction time. Taking out the very forward. Brings out a 10. At the best reaction time in qualifying.